Good morning everyone! Maayong buntag kaning tanan. Adito tayo ngayon sa South Ridge, Tagaytay to film a two property with the total lot area of 640 square meters. Itong binabaybay natin ngayon, this is the 4-lane road all the way to the property. Napakaganda ng highest and the best use. The neighborhood, of course, the location of the property because dito po ay nagfa-fog. So if you are looking up peaceful, quiet, and a very good community, well, try to consider ito pong dalawang property for sale natin with a total lot area of 640 square meters. This is a Torrance title overlooking one at kitang-kita nyo yung ganda ng view. Imagine, malapit ka na sa stratosphere. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng property. Guys, this is a title property and ready lot. At dito sa area na to ay nasa perimeter ka pero this is adjacent. 640 square meters. Ang harap mo ay a corner property. Well, this one is selling in the market for 14,200,000 pesos. The two parcel of property. 640 square meters. Ayan. So if you are interested or anyone interested as capital asset or ordinary property, try to check out. Ito pong napakagandang property for sale na ito na ang seller na kabakasyon ngayon. Tama-tama makipag-execute ng deed of absolute sale because the presence ng seller ay nandito ngayon. No need for the SPA because nandito sila ngayon sa Philippines after ng kanilang bakasyon from the US. Pero taga-US na sila ngayon, guys. So, if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. By the way, again, a property with a total lot area of 640, dalawang title at ready lot. Pwede kayong magpagawa ng any design as long as with the approval from the Homeowners Association as per their deed of restrictions. So, kayang-kaya po ninyo magpagawa dito. Napakagandang overlooking property inside a prominent village ng South Ridge, Tagaytay. So, by the way guys, my name is Ray, a real estate broker and appraiser in the Philippines. Thank you so much and I hope to see you in our next video. By the way, kung mayroon kayong mga property for sale seems like this, do not hesitate to message us on the numbers listed on the screen. God bless everybody.